Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. Thank you so much for joining me today and taking some time out. I really do appreciate your time. So today is day 3, look free, with this beautiful palette. It's the Beauty Bay and Nikkie Tutorials palette. It's so stunning. See if I can open it up. No. So that's what it looks like. I have been showing you this every single day I've used it. I do have to run some errands today. I've got a busy day ahead, so it is going to be another neutral look. Yesterday though, I played with the colours and had so much fun, but it was an all matte look, apart from a little bit of shimmer just in the corner of the eye there. So today then, let me just get my brush ready. So as always, we've got the NYX base down, and today what I'm going to be doing first is going in with Basic Truth there. It's a really nice transition shade, well, light crease shade I would say. So I will just put this in my crease. Okay, let's get started. I don't have much time, so it is just going to be a simple look, but most of the looks on my channel are simple. They're like very beginner friendly. So it's barely showing up, but it's not meant to be a great big in your face kind of shade. We can deepen that out with a different shade. Again, I've got a runny nose. This happened when I apply makeup for some reason. Right, then we're going to go in with Mila. So that's that deeper brown. I don't know what you can see. Yeah, that's that deeper brown there. No, actually, let's go in with Zoma. I've used this one before, but it's a really nice peachy shade. It's absolutely stunning, in fact. What I will say for these eyeshadows is they are very pigmented. Right, I just want to blend that out now. Okay, I've just got my brush. And they blend out really well, the eyeshadows that I've tried so far anyway. Right, and now I'm going to go in with that Mila shade. I think I'm just going to put it on the outer corner though. Maybe run it through the crease a little bit. Right, and then the shimmer all over the lid I want to use. I've used this before, I think. This Aura shade. that's what it looks like. Just absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to tap that on. Just because it goes on better with your fingers. They're just so soft, these shimmers. They feel almost wet to the touch. It's a formula I've not really come across before. I mean, look at that. That's absolutely stunning. And it's such an easy look as well. A few eyeshadows and you're ready to go. Which today is what I need. I want it to look like I've made an effort, but I haven't really made too much of an effort. It's gone down there. Right, I'll just blend that out a little bit more. If I can find the brush I had. Right, and for brow bone highlight, I don't really want to put any of these colours on. So, I'm going to go into my Too Faced palette, chocolate bar palette, and I'm going to use a tiny bit of white chocolate. Just in the brow bone. Right, and then for the shimmer in the inner corner, I'm not too sure what to wear. I've used Ivy before. Let's use All In, that duochrome in the palette for the inner corner. I don't know how it's going to turn out because it's not your typical inner corner highlight. But we're only playing with makeup, so if it doesn't turn out right, it's no big deal, is it? I actually quite like that. This All-In shade is very, very soft. It appears to be softer than the rest of the formulas for the shimmers, but it is a different formula with it being a duochrome. And I really don't know what to use as my lash line shade. Maybe I'll just go in with 5 AM. That's that deeper brown there, maybe I'll go in with that. I was going to use a darker shade. I'm wondering what that purple shade would look like though. Slasher. Let's use Slasher. I've just cleaned my brush off. Sorry, I'm so out of frame. Just like I was yesterday. I'm really sorry about that. Yeah, so I've only gone in really, really lightly because I do want it to be kind of daytime appropriate. Right, so that's that done with the palette. I'm going to try and be a little bit more adventurous tomorrow again. Right, so now mascara and eyeliner time. So I'm just going to tight line with this Too Faced Love eyeliner if I don't poke myself in the eye first, sorry, not face. Need to sharpen that. And then I'm going to go in with the Makeup Gallery mascara, the one that I've been using a lot lately. Right, and now I'm going to go in with my favourite liquid lipstick, which is the Too Faced Melted Matte. And the reason I'm not being a little bit more adventurous with the lipstick, I could be, but the reason I'm not is because I need it to stay on pretty much as long as it can. It lasts for hours, this liquid lipstick, and that's why I like it so much. I don't want to keep topping up on my lipsticks, so yeah, I'm going to be wearing this one. It's in Queen Bee, by the way, guys. Right, so I was saying I really like this Aura shade here. It's absolutely stunning. It's like a pink with a rose gold shift and like gold reflex, if you can see that. It's actually picking it up on camera. I don't think it's picking it up to really truly how beautiful it is. I mean, just look at that, guys. It is so shiny and reflective. It's just absolutely beautiful. It's like a pink but with gold reflex in it. I'm hoping you can see that better on my hand there. This concludes the video, guys. I've got to go about my day now. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time and your support on the channel. Please like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. I would really appreciate that, and it does help out the channel. Please share and please comment. I love reading your comments, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.